This is Project War Eagle, a stealthy and menacing-looking Land Rover Defender 110 fully restored to turn heads in its urban landscape. Underneath its Santorini black exterior sits raw American muscle, a 6.2-litre LT1 V8 paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Heavy-duty stock axles keep it grounded, while ALCON brakes with silver calipers provide uncompromised stopping strength. To master any terrain, War Eagle rides on E.C.D's Air Ride suspension, breathing adaptability into every mile. The Sport Dual Plus exhaust, with twin pipes on both sides, delivers the perfect soundtrack, deep and aggressive. Coated in an eggshell finish, this Defender 110's Santorini black body is accented with colour-matched wheel spats, checkers, vents, hinges, light surrounds and grille surround. Sitting on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels in satin black, wrapped in Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack AT tyres, War Eagle is armed for the unexpected. And up front, strength takes centre stage with an ARB bull bar and worn heavy-duty winch, framed by 4 Hella Black Magic LED spotlights mounted on the front of the black 6-point external roll cage. At the rear, Hella work lights illuminate the way, while a ladder and NAS-style bumper pair with a swing-away wheel carrier to complete its expedition-ready stance. A custom-stitched vertical diamond pattern defines the cabin, with precision-threaded black and nutmeg stitching. The Puma dash, wrapped in brown leather with black accents, pairs with black leather door cards featuring vertical stitching and brown inserts. In the rear, 2 traditional inward-facing benches blend brown and black leather with custom diamond-stitched detailing, a nod to Defender heritage, elevated through modern craftsmanship. Heated and cooled front seats ensure comfort, no matter the season. Engineered for any and every adventure, finished with the luxury and precision only E.C.D can deliver.